In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Claude Code to work with your GitLab repositories using Homebrew on Mac OS with quick notes for Windows via PowerShell. By the end, you'll have your repository cloned locally, your API key configured as an environment variable, and the Claude interface running so you can ask it to explain or refactor your code. First, let's clone your GitLab project. Open Terminal on your Mac and navigate to the folder where you want the repository to live. Use the standard git command to pull it down. Run git clone followed by your repository's URL, which looks like GitLab / your username / your repo.git. When you press enter, Git may prompt you for a username and password. Instead of your regular password, use a personal access token generated in your GitLab account settings. The tokens provide secure, scoped access and are the recommended way to authenticate. If your organization requires SSH, you can use your SSH URL instead, but the process is the same. You're simply pulling the repo to your machine. Next, Claude Code needs permission to connect to the Anthropic API. You'll do that by setting your API key as an environment variable name Anthropic_API_key. On Windows, you can set this from PowerShell with the command sex Anthropic_API_key. Just place your API key in the provided command. After running that, close and reopen your terminal window so the new variable is recognized. On macOS, the idea is the same. Store the key in your shell environment so it's available to tools you launch from terminal. After you've saved it, open a fresh terminal session to ensure the variable is loaded. With your repository cloned and your API key in place, navigate into your project folder by typing cd your dash repo and pressing enter. From inside your project, start the Claude interface by typing Claude and pressing enter. If everything is configured correctly, the CLI will launch and connect using the API key you set. You'll typically see a prompt indicating Claude is ready. Now you can begin issuing requests that help you work faster in your codebase. For example, you can say, explain this project and Claude will analyze your repository to summarize structure and intent. You can say, refactor this file, followed by a path, to get suggestions or diffs that improve readability or performance. Keep your prompts specific and reference files or directories by path for the best results. That's the essential workflow. Clone the repo, set your API key, launch Claude, and start asking for help. Thanks for watching and happy building.